Which diameter and circumference values are reasonable approximations for circles? Pause this video and have a go at that. All right. So what we need to realize is that the ratio between the circumference and the diameter of a circle is, if it's a perfect circle, it's going to be equal to 3.14159, so on and so forth. And we call that special number pi. You might have learned that already. So it's going to be roughly whatever the diameter is, you multiply it by 3 point something something. That should be a reasonable approximation for a circle. So not all of these might be perfect circles, and these are measurements, so there might be some imperfections. But let's see, if we take 0.7, and if we were to multiply it by 3 point something something, what would we get? Well, if we multiplied this by 3, we would get 20. If we multiply by 3, we would get 2.1, 3 point something something, maybe 2.2. This looks awfully far away. Another way to think about it, 3.8 divided by 0.7 is going to be over 5. So actually, I'm definitely going to rule this one out. Let's see here. If I took 5 divided by 1.6, that actually does look kind of like 3 point something something. So times 3 point and a bunch of stuff right over there. So this one's looking pretty good. Diameter 0.8, circumference 2.5. This one also looks like, if I multiply 0.8 times 3, I get to 2.4. So a little bit more than 3. Yeah, this one looks reasonable as well. Okay, 1.2 to 2.9. See, if I multiplied this by 3, I'd get all the way to 3.6. And if 3 point something something would be higher than 3.6. So I'll rule this one out as well. So I'm liking these two choices. If I multiply 1.6 times 3, I would get 4.8. This is a little bit more than 4.8, so I like that one. And I made the same argument for choice C here as well.